Today, I'm going to show you how to clean a fly fishing reel. I'll be working on two, an Orvis CFO2 and a Scientific Angler's Concept 2. Both haven't been cleaned in years, so we'll go step by step and get them back in shape. Here's what you're going to need. A bowl of some sort with warm water and dish soap. Some cotton swabs, an old soft toothbrush, some microfiber towels, and reel grease or light oil. Start by taking the reel apart. I've taken out the line and backing on both reels. Remove the spool from the frame and, if you need to, set aside any parts like drag knobs or washers. Keep track of how it all fits together. Use a toothbrush and soapy water to scrub off any dirt, sand, or buildup. Get into the corners and crevices. I use the cotton swabs for tighter spots, like inside the drag area and around the spindle. Once everything's clean, rinse the parts with clean water. And dry them thoroughly with your microfiber towel. I also have an electric air blower to help out with the drying. It's not necessary, but it sure speeds up the process. I'll leave a link in the description for this exact one and the items I use if you're interested. Apply a very small amount of reel grease or oil to your spindle and any moving parts. Just enough to keep things smooth. Don't overdo it. Put everything back together in the same order you took it apart. Make sure the spool spins freely and the drag still works as expected. And that's it. This basic cleaning keeps your reel working smoothly and helps you extend its life. If it's been a while since you cleaned yours, now is a good time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and consider subscribing if you want to see more fishing videos.